On this Environment Day today, we congratulate all of you. Today we once again reinforce our belief, which is planet at our heart. Our core business is manufacturing and selling of electric vehicle. Today we also embark on a journey with our all dealer partners across India, in which they will provide one small plant to all our new Kinetic Green customers.
Now we see every city is going to temperatures of 50 degrees, 45 degrees. It's very important to plant more and more trees and also use electric vehicles.
Today is World Environment Day. It's a privilege for me that I work for a green energy company like Kinetic Green. As we heard from the Prime Minister, and the focus of India will be on green energy. We at Kinetic Green produce, manufacture, develop, sell only green vehicles, and we want to make this a greener earth.
Every year, June 5th is being followed as a World Environment Day. Whenever I go to the shop, even the shopkeeper gives me the plastic bag also. I refuse to take it. Normally, I will use my own bag, which is of cotton. Cotton bags only I use. I suggest all of you to follow the same thing.